Elderly man allegedly shoots taxi driver in road rage incident. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An elderly man reportedly shot a taxi driver in the leg during an apparent road rage incident in Ligani, St. Andrew on Thursday morning. The corporate communications unit confirmed the shooting but did not reveal the identities of the men involved. Links 007 TV News has learned that the male taxi driver is alleged to have committed a driving infraction against the elderly man who reportedly spoke to him about it. A heated argument reportedly developed between the two, which led to a scuffle, and the elderly man allegedly pulled his firearm and shot the taxi driver. Our news team will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come in a later newscast. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.